We take our commitment to environmental stewardship very seriously at Arlington National Cemetery. Our Memorial Arboretum is a living tribute to those who have honorably served their nation. Rolling green hills, majestic trees, and a diverse collection of plants create a rich natural tapestry in these hallowed grounds. Our 639 acres feature more than 9,600 native and exotic trees. Some of our oldest trees are nearly 250 years old, predating the first burials at the cemetery. Our team designs sustainable landscapes, creating gardens that thrive without continuous irrigation, selecting trees for not only their aesthetic and wildlife qualities, but also for disease resistance, and incorporating rain gardens to filter pollutants, limiting fertilizer, oils, and road salts from draining into the Potomac River and Chesapeake Bay. This impressive landscape serves as a tribute to the service and sacrifice of every individual laid to rest within these hallowed grounds. At Arlington National Cemetery, it is our commitment to preserve this iconic landscape to honor our nation's heroes. To learn more about our commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship, visit our website at www.arlingtoncemetery.mil.